Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making roasted sweet potato hash. This is for everybody out there that is looking to eat a little bit healthier, but you are getting tired of eating white rice, brown rice, and just can't seem to wrap your head around white potatoes anymore. But you still love carbs because they're just so darn delicious. At any rate, this recipe is going to be 119 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 20.7 grams of carbs, and 1.7 grams of protein. It is going to make about 12 equal servings. And right now I am chopping up 3 pounds of medium-sized sweet potatoes into about half-inch cubes. I find that that is a perfect size for this recipe. And let's get into it. Once we got our sweet potatoes chopped in a bowl, we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of organic olive oil, followed by 1 tablespoon of dried oregano leaves. After that, we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic into the mix. After that, we are going to add half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika or regular paprika, whatever you have available, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, and last but not least, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Right here I'm using Morton's sea salt, but you can use any kind of salt that you want. Give this mixture a good solid mixture so that the oil and all the ingredients coat pretty much all the outside of all of your potatoes as evenly as possible. We want to get all those flavors kind of blended in there before we pan it up. After your potatoes are nice and coated, we're going to grab a baking sheet, line it with foil, and we're going to spread the potatoes out as evenly as possible so that they cook all about the same, have the same amount of tenderness, crispiness, whatever your preference is. We are going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, pop those sweet potatoes in, and bake them for about 45 to 50 minutes, depending on how crispy you want them. After the bake time, go ahead and enjoy, and as always, don't forget, eat healthy, stay happy.